Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to capitalize the first letter of text in each cell using formulas and a VBA macro. Whether you're dealing with names, product lists, or any textual data, this will be a great addition to your Excel skill set. We'll start with formulas that can be used to capitalize the first letter of each entry in a column. These methods are straightforward and don't require any add-ins or complex tools. For our first method, you'll need to create a helper column. Right-click on the column header where you want the helper column to be, choose Insert, and then enter the following formula into the new cell. Replace, lower, C2, 1, 1, upper, left, C2, 1. This formula takes the text from cell C2, converts it to lowercase, and then replaces the first character with its uppercase version using the left, lower, and upper functions. After entering the formula in cell B2, copy it down the column by dragging the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, down to cover the range where you want the capitalization to occur. For the second method, which leaves all other letters as they are after capitalizing the first letter, use a similar formula with a slight modification. Replace, C2, 1, 1, upper, left, C2, 1. This formula works similarly to the first but without converting the entire text to lowercase, thus leaving the case of the rest of the text unchanged. Now let's move on to a VBA macro that will capitalize the first letter of each cell in a selected range. This method doesn't require a helper column and provides a quick way to transform your data. To create the macro, press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Go to Insert and select Module and paste the provided code into the new module. To run the macro, close the VBA editor and press Alt plus F8. Select Capitalize First Letter from the list. And click Run. A dialog box will prompt you to select the range of cells you want to capitalize. After selecting, the macro will apply the changes to each cell in the range. With these methods, you have the power to quickly capitalize the first letter in any cell or range of cells. This is an excellent technique for cleaning up and presenting your data professionally. Thank you for watching. Practice these methods to enhance your Excel capabilities and make your workbooks look polished and professional. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.